video, we're going to be talking about the Facebook pixel. And we're not just going to be talking about it, I'm going to show you how you can add this to your external sites so that you're able to track the people who actually engage with your content. And this is so important because this will impact you creating audiences in the future and creating audiences that are interested in what you do and what you have, so that you can track them using the Facebook pixel. So this is a really important thing for you to be knowing about, firstly, and secondly, for you to be adding onto your own sites, your own landing pages, so you can utilize what Facebook has to offer. So let's jump in, guys, and get this added. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be adding your Facebook pixel. Now, your Facebook pixel is always working on Facebook, but we want to now add this pixel to an external website or a landing page so that you're able to still track your, clients or your prospective clients' behavior. So if people are coming off Facebook and they're going to your website, that you're able to actually see which of those clients went and did that, and then you're able to retarget them with the correct ads or content, whatever that is you need to do, knowing how people have interacted with yourself. And that allows you to start building retargeting lists, which is so important. So guys, let's jump in and get started. So we're going to go up to, we're in Business Manager. We're going to go up to the 3 lines at the top. We're going to select that, and we're going to go across to where it says measure and report. And when we go down, we're going to be looking for pixels, and we simply just click pixels, and that will take us to a whole new page within the Events Manager. And what we're going to do here, it says create a Facebook pixel. Add the Facebook pixel to your website to measure the impact of your ads. So what that's able to do is you're able to track your website activities. You can see, if new customers are engaging with you, all of this information that your pixel will allow you to do, which I've said there allows you to create whole new retargeting audiences, to know how well your ads working, and also to keep those in front of those people with the right ads. So what we're going to do is simply going to go down to the green button. And if you haven't got a pixel, now you'll be able to create a pixel. So we simply click create a pixel. And what's happening here, it's going to say connect website activity using pixel. So the pixel name for this, it will be whatever your account is, that name there is on Fire Pixel. You can, change that name if you want to. It already pre-populates what that is. And then you can put in your website here right now. That is optional. It could be the case of you putting in a website that you've currently got. It might be a ClickFunnels, a landing page. So you can do that there. For this one, we're just going to leave that right now. So even if you right now don't have an external website, it's so important that you watch this. So once you do have one, or a funnel, or you're taking your customers from your Facebook page to somewhere else, that you're able to track them. So what we're going to do right now is we're just going to continue. And what happens here is it's just loading up. Here we go. Now it's asking us, how do we want to install the pixel code? Now, you've got, if this kind of you think, oh, I wouldn't even know how to do this if I had a web page. What you can do, you can, there is partners that integration, so you can actually, here connect to different sites where you can kind of get that technical support, so someone can do this for you and link it up. You can manually do this, add the pixel code directly to your own website or your landing page by putting that in there, which is really simple to do, which we're going to do together right now. Or if you have somebody, a developer, somebody who is actually developed your website and has that access to it, you can just email them the instructions, so they're able to basically paste this pixel, the code, into your header on your website page as well. For this one here, we're literally going to manually be adding this pixel. And as soon as you click it, you'll see this huge code here. Now, all we need to do right now is we're just going to be, so it says here, copy and paste the pixel code into the bottom of the header section of your site, just above the head tag. Install the base code on every page of your website. So here we go right now. And this is the beauty of it. Facebook have made it so easy that you just need to literally here, copy code to clipboard. And we just click that and that's it copied. So that's done right now. So what we're going to do right now, you can email these instructions as well to somebody else. If you didn't want to do that, there's that option there. We're going to click continue right now. But what we're going to do first of all is we're going to jump into one of my ClickFunnels pages for this example here. And on this page, we're just going to jump into the settings. And down here, so if you have ClickFunnels, you want to be going to your actual page, your funnel that you've got created there. And all you're going to do is where it says head tracking code, is you're literally going to paste that in to here. You're going to scroll down to the bottom. You're going to save and update the settings. So now that means our code is actually, let's click out of here and we go here and you'll go back to your events manager here within your business manager. And you can see now my pixel is actually up and running and it's active. And it says they're waiting for the first event. So as people now engage with an ad, and on that ad, my ad would be taking them to my funnel, my ClickFunnels. As soon as that person comes off Facebook, that information of them now jumping to my page is now captured as well, which allows me to now start creating audiences based on, who's engaged with my content, so I can show them more ads or more content, knowing that these people are actually interested. So it's as simple as that, guys, to add your pixel onto your web page or onto your funnel or whatever it is you have. As I've said, there's 3 options there. You can get somebody to do that with you. There's platforms available. Fiverr is a great one where people are able to do that for you. But you've just seen how easy it is, to do that. Or you've got a web page already. The developer who created it, if you don't have the access to that or know where you need to be heading, you can literally email these instructions to them. And it's as simple as that. They can literally copy and paste this pixel in and you are up and running. So it's as easy as that, guys. Having your pixel up and firing and gathering the information you need to have.